We're at Global Bird Fair this weekend, and we thought, what better place to start the trial of our first collaborative series of Bots and Biology.
Shares my love of nature with...
And my love of Transformers.
Yeah.
And as we're sitting outside the Falcon tent, I thought we'd take a look at Airazor as the first bot to analyse. We're hoping to do a speedrun of what this series is going to be all about, starting with a look at Airazor here. So this is Airazor from Beast Wars, specifically the Wolf Cybertron Trilogy Kingdom version. We have a real nice paint job, colour scheme, sculpted detail on this figure, wouldn't you agree?
Yeah.
Some real nice feather details on there. So this figure is a great representation of this character's on-screen appearance in the show. It's really cool to have her in this physical form.
Is it like the Roger Rabbit effect?
It's a little bit, although the colours are a little bit off, ever so slightly, which you could say the colours on this are almost a nod to the old 90s toy they did of the character, and she transforms into a peregrine falcon. What can you say about her as a peregrine falcon?
So peregrine falcons are native to the UK. They're monogamous, so they mate for life. So you might think the cheetah is actually the fastest animal in the world, but no, it is actually the peregrine falcon. It can reach speeds of 200 miles per hour whilst diving for prey off cliffs. They usually predate on parakeets and pigeons and rock doves.
And now take a look at Airazor as a peregrine falcon. There's some pretty interesting stuff in there.
Yeah, she's monogamous.
In Beast Wars, she is in a relationship with Tigertron, so that plays into that aspect of monogamy there.
That fits. Talking about the coloration, on the toy figure, you can see a perfect example just above us. She doesn't really, all robotic bits aside, peregrine falcons...
We have to ignore those bits.
Yeah, peregrine falcons don't have missiles on their legs in real life.
What are you talking about?
Obviously doesn't have very similar colours. Maybe has sort of the paler grey on the top. Doesn't really have the same colour resemblance as a peregrine falcon.
Which is interesting when these toys have been made to be so show accurate to the cartoon that the colour isn't accurate. The colour in the cartoon, it had more of a black and white colour scheme that you see on an actual...
Sort of like a speckled colour.
Interestingly, that they didn't choose to characterise her as being the fastest character on the team, considering they have Cheetor as well as a cheetah who was characterised as the fast one.
Yeah, so that's interesting. So that sort of plays into how people do think cheetahs are the fastest animal on Earth, and they are technically the fastest land animal, but peregrine falcons completely blow them out of the water when it comes to diving speeds. As I said, 200 miles an hour. So if we were being really accurate, Airazor would be the fastest on the maximal team. What I do appreciate is her fan tail, as well as how she can tuck her wings in, much like a peregrine falcon when they dive. I do also appreciate the talons. Peregrine falcons have the 4 digits. I have a lot to appreciate about this figure.
So that has been Airazor. We are at Global Bird Fair, and stay tuned for the next instalment of Bots and Biology.